Bro, don't ask me why I'm filming this outside. It's like 90 something degrees right now. I'm sweating. But you know, I like to come outside and drink my freshly cracked kombucha. It just helps me clear my mind, you know? This is a lot of stuff. I feel so blessed that me at 23 years of age has found his passion and his purpose, if you will. I mean, a lot of people go through life and they never figure out what they actually wanted to do. Yeah, so don't do what I just did. I feel like everybody should know what they want to do with their life. I feel like that's kind of the point of life is to know what makes you happy. This is sick looking though. So we're leaving our packs here. I got my flip-flops on. And we're gonna try to go rock hop to this swimming hole. Look at this. This is a swimming hole. We got ourselves a personal beach. It's ice. Once you get up to the giblets, I gotta do one dip, you know? To be honest, I don't think that anyone doesn't know what they want to do with their life. I feel like there's always something that's in your brain that you want to do, and it might not be your passion, but there's always a voice inside of your head telling you something that you know is right, you should be doing, you should be pursuing. And that voice is louder for some people and quieter for others. And I believe that finding your purpose in life all starts with clear-minded thinking. Having a clear mind is so important, because when you have a clear mind, you're not distracted by negative thoughts or angry thoughts. You're blissfully thinking and you're in a joyful mood. And the reason that I'm like saying this is because when you listen to your mind when you're angry or you're sad, you're full of spite, or you're full of desperation and you're anxious. So you make impulsive decisions. But when you're clear-minded, when you're joyful, when you have bliss, that's your true self telling you the way to more happiness. Just sitting here waiting on my dang beef stroganoff to cook. Had this once before. It's actually pretty freaking good. I'm not even gonna lie. And just looking at the river. This is where we're camping. Yeah. So we're heading up to this sick overlook that overlooks where we're camping and that waterfall, and we're trying to get there before sunset. The sun's just hit golden hour, but we're not too far, so we should make it.
Leaving Chicago, I could have died there too. My Colorado, where did the line draw you? I didn't want to.
But some people don't really have much that gives them joy, that gives them a clear mind. But I feel like there's always something that can give you joy in your life. It could be as simple as taking a shower that just gives you that peace of mind where you're alone and you're alone with your thoughts and you can have a clear-minded thought. I used to start off with with little things like that. Like I would always have clear-minded thoughts in the shower, and I knew that that was so important to listen to what my brain was telling me when I was in the shower, because I was joyful, I was blissfully thinking, I wasn't distracted by angry thoughts, or I wasn't annoyed, or I wasn't sad. I was in my moment with just me. If you have something in your life that gives you a clear mind, whenever you're in that space, that place, whatever your brain is telling you in those times is the only thing that you should be listening to.
Oh yeah. This is sick.
We made it pretty dang fast. The sun's not even behind the ridge.
Holy shit. Yeah, this is like straight down. This is nothing to mess with.
I didn't want to. Like it's all too soon.